Hi there. Welcome to TAM Studios. My name is Stalin Ravinder Singh, a technical account manager based out of India. Today's feature review is on Manage Active Screen Recordings. Instead of giving a user a list of recording with the Manage Active Screen Recordings view, we will now be providing admin with the count of current recording on the recording management screen. So let's get started. Administrator can now access the count of active screen recordings directly with the Recording Management UI, which replaces the Manage Active Screen Recording UI. This enhancement aims to streamline the interface, reduce clutter, and enhance system scalability. And it requires one of the following subscription. Let's do a quick demo. I am in my sandbox. If you go to admin, under the quality management, click on recording management. You'll find a new parameter, number of current active screen recordings. Currently it is 0. Let's make a test call to see what is the parameter value. This is an agent, is having the screen recording enabled. I'm going to make a test call to this agent. We're getting a call to the agent. Agent picks up the call. To avoid echo, I'm muting the agent. So now let's check the admin page. What was the parameter value? Now on the admin page, under admin quality, recording management, now you can see the value is 1. Since the agent is on a screen recording enabled, now you see the parameter value is 1. So that means 1 recording is enabled. So like this, the admin can see the current active screen recording is the new feature introduced. I hope you enjoyed this feature review. In case of any query, please feel free to comment or email to us your questions at tamstudios@genesis.com. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.